Yeah, it's not pretty. It's been neglected for years and I thought about replacing it, but I was compelled to restore it back to its former glory. So if your wok looks like this, then stick around. Easy off, heavy duty is probably your best bet to soften the burnt on crispy bits. Now, do this outside or in a very well ventilated area. Liberally apply the spray all over and then place it inside a garbage bag. And then, of course, you want to place it in a cool spot and let it sit overnight. Do not let it sit overnight inside the house. Make sure that you leave it outside, away from direct sunlight. First, use paper towels to wipe off the black gunk on the inside of the wok and for the outside of the wok. Just do your best. You're not going to be able to scrape off all the burnt and crispy stuff. We're going to use something else later to remove that. For the interior of the wok, I used a plastic razor blade to scrape off the crusty areas. For the bottom of the wok, the plastic was a little too weak to loosen up anything that was been burnt on for years. So I had to resort to using a metal razor blade, and that worked really well. I then finished the inside by using 180 grit sandpaper to remove any remaining impurities. So here is what it looks like before a heat treatment. I'm doing this outside on a high powered burner, but if you're doing this indoors, set the burner to high and make sure to have really good ventilation. And here it is, ready to be washed and seasoned. And this is what it looks like now. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like what you see on this channel.